Distance is nothing but how far an object travels. How far an object travels. It is called distance. It does not depend on the direction. Let us imagine an ant crawling along a ruler. Let us see here. What distance did the ant travel? The distance is 3 centimeter. How much? 3 centimeter. Here, distance does not depend on direction. Here, our intrepid ant explorer again. Now, what distance did the ant travel? Again 3 centimeter. Does his direction change the answer? No. It is 3 centimeter only, because here distance does not depend on direction. Let's follow the ant again. Now, what distance did the ant walk this time? How much? 7 centimeter. How much? 7 centimeter. Now, let us see the displacement. Here, difference between an object's final position and starting position is displacement. It depends on the direction. Here, direction is important. So, what is displacement? It is the difference between final position and initial position. In order to define displacement, we need directions. Let us see some of the examples of displacements. Here the directions are plus and minus, or north, south, east and west. We need angles also. Now we will compare displacement and distance. So, let us see one example of distance. Here, the ant walked 3 centimeter. Now, let us see an example of displacement. Here, the ant walked 3 centimeter east. So, an object's distance travelled and its displacement are not always the same. Let us revisit our ant, and this time we will find his displacement. Here, distance is 3 centimeter and displacement is plus 3 centimeter. The positive gives the ant's direction. Now, find the ant's displacement again. Remember, displacement has direction. Here, distance is 3 centimeter and displacement is minus 3 centimeter. Now, find the distance and displacement of the ant. Here distance is 7 centimeter and displacement is only plus 3 centimeter. Now let us see once again the comparison between displacement and distance. Here an athlete runs around a track that is 100 meters long 3 times, then stops. Then what is the athlete's distance and displacement? That we have to find out. Here you can see athlete is running on the track 3 times. Now how much distance? 300 meters, because he ran 3 times. But what is the displacement? It is 0 meter. Why? Now we will see speed. Here, speed is nothing but the rate at which an object is moving, and speed is equal to distance upon time. Like distance, speed does not depend on direction. Here we will take an example. A car drives 100 meters in 5 seconds. Here you can see. Then what is the car's average speed? It is once again distance upon time, that is 100 upon 5 is equal to 20 meters per second. Now a rocket is traveling at 10 meter per second. How does it take the rocket to travel 30 meter? Let us see another example. A race car is traveling at 85 meter per second. How far does the car travel in 30 seconds? Then we will see velocity. Here velocity, it depends on direction. Then velocity is equal to displacement upon time. It has magnitude and direction. Here magnitude is a measure that has a value. Magnitude is a measure that has a value. Now let us go back to our ant explorer. Here you can see distance traveled is 7 centimeter and displacement is plus 3 centimeter. Then what is the average speed? It will be 1.4 centimeter per second. And what will be the average velocity? It is plus 0.6 centimeter per second.